speak. That's always interesting to listen to, but I think that, everyone realizes that the Fed wants to see some evidence of a slowdown before really pushing forward with an interest rate cut, even though many people believe that a slowdown is ahead and that interest rate cut is inevitable. We'll also get the RBA meeting minutes, which is always interesting. On Tuesday, we have UK labor market numbers, and the UK labor market numbers are expected to show job growth or labor market conditions improving. And so labor market conditions are expected to improve in the UK. And if it does do that, it could receive a little bit of a boost. But of course, once again, it's not a complete done deal either. So we'll have to keep an eye on whether or not, that actually ends up lasting. We have the German zoo survey, the Eurozone zoo survey. Those numbers, look at this, 10.6 against 51.6 previous. So huge deterioration is expected in this. And if we get that deterioration, it would be very, very bad news, because that would reflect the uncertainty that businesses and investors have in the euro area as a whole, and also probably in the global economy. And I think that this could also take some of the steam out of the euro rally, especially as it comes ahead of the ECB rate decision. People will believe that maybe any deterioration in sentiment will lead the ECB to have a stronger reason to cut interest rates. We also have inflation numbers. According to the IVPMI reports, the inflation numbers weren't too bad. And so the uptick that we have in inflation could very well lead to higher CPI. Now, the market expects a little bit of a slowdown in CPI growth, but that is definitely something that everyone is watching for, the possibility of a hotter CPI report on that front. We'll have to see. And then we also have the Empire State Manufacturing Survey. The Empire State and Philly Fed surveys are important manufacturing surveys. Now, a little bit of improvement is expected, but we'll have to see whether we actually get that improvement. But made in America is really the goal, and so we could see some benefit to manufacturing activity.